People Shop, and today I'm going to share with you some top selling products of this week. The first product we have for you is this phone cover. This chic phone cover is for all the makeup junkies out there. Another phone cover is this. The gold flecks in it brings out the blingy and the sparkly personality in you, so bling it on. The next phone cover is this floral one. This floral phone cover brings out the love for flowers in you. And the last phone covers I have for you are these. These totally go with the neon vibe that's trending these days. So the next category for you we have is bags. So the first two bags I have for you are these. These bum bags totally bring out the cute, chirpy, adorable side of you. So don't forget to check them out and bring back the childish vibe in you. So the next bag we have for you is this holographic Fanny Pack that is very blingy and it totally uplifts your blingy and sparkly personality. So don't forget to check this out. I just love this. So the next bag I have for you is this holographic gleaming bag. It totally goes with the vibe of the sparkle that's trending these days. And you can carry your daily essentials. You can take it to college, you can take it to vacations, and you can take it to wherever you want. The next category we have for you is umbrellas. This holographic umbrella totally goes with the monsoon weather. So why don't you go and grab it exclusively on MangoPeopleShop.com. I know it's getting really hot and you want to gulp down a watermelon. So I have this very cute watermelon airport case that will totally go with the summery vibe. The next airport cases we have for you are these, again very cute pastel floral airport cases that totally goes with the summery vibe and brings out the floral love in you. The next airport case we have for you is for all the Iron Man lovers. I love you 3000. For all the PUBG players, winner winner chicken dinner. This Pokemon one. So all the Pokemon lovers, don't forget to shop for this. And we have a wide range of airport cases that you can shop exclusively at MangoPeopleShop.com. Also, if you like this video, please tell us in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button right next to the subscribe option. Till then, see you next time. Bye.